Why can Kaia Coracesium with 4 stars be more interesting than some Turkish 5-star hotels? Subscribe to our channel and let's find out together. After a complete renovation, Kaia Coracesium looks modern, well-maintained, and noticeably more upscale than you might expect from a 4-star hotel. There are stylish public areas, modern rooms, good sports facilities, and a decent range of entertainment. But it is still a 4-star hotel, and there are compromises. Today, we'll find out who Kaia Coracesium is really suitable for, who should choose another option, and how good the value for money actually is. Kaia Coracesium is located in the Konaklı area, about 12 kilometers from Alanya. The transfer from Antalya Airport takes around an hour and a half. The area is quiet, with mostly other hotels nearby, so there is no major city traffic or noise. At the same time, a large shopping street with stores, cafes, and supermarkets is only a few minutes away on foot. The hotel's private beach is about 200 meters away, roughly a 5-minute walk. You cross a quiet road and then walk alongside the grounds of a neighboring hotel. For most guests, this is not a problem. But if being directly on the first line is important to you, this is something to consider in advance. After the complete renovation in 2024, the hotel feels very fresh. The grounds are compact, enclosed, and well organized. There are no huge gardens or long walking paths, but almost everything is close by. The 2 modern buildings, pools, restaurants, bars, and main leisure areas are all within a short distance of each other. For an active holiday, Kaia Coracesium offers a good range of facilities. There is a separate gym with cardio and strength equipment, a cable machine, and free weights. There is also a tennis court, table tennis, and a small football area. The animation team organizes yoga, stretching, step aerobics, water aerobics, dancing, and other activities. During the day, there are games and sports tournaments around the pool. In the evening, the hotel offers shows in the amphitheater, live music, and themed evenings. There is also a mini disco for children every day. So the atmosphere is fairly lively, but without feeling like a non-stop party resort. The hotel can also work well for families. The kids' club has a soft play area, a creative zone, a small slide, a trampoline, and a ball pit. There is another playground outdoors. There is also a small water park with 2 slides. However, the kids' club closes for lunch, and the overall children's infrastructure remains fairly compact. Kaia Coracesium is therefore better suited to families looking for a good basic range of activities rather than a huge family resort with an extensive kids area. The main pool is around 1.5 meters deep. Next to it is a separate area with 2 water slides and a smaller pool. And this is where one of the more noticeable disadvantages appears. The sun loungers around the main pool are placed very close together. When the hotel is busy, the area can feel quite crowded, and the best spots are often taken early in the morning. The beach is more interesting. The hotel's private sandy beach has a blue flag. It is fairly spacious and has sun loungers, umbrellas, lifeguards, and a snack bar with a terrace. But calling it a sandy beach does not mean the entrance to the sea is completely sandy. There is a strip of pebbles and stones near the water, and the depth increases noticeably after around 10 meters. There can also be rock slabs underwater in some areas. Families with small children should therefore be particularly careful. If you want a completely soft, sandy entrance with shallow water, this beach may disappoint you. The hotel operates on an all-inclusive basis. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner are served buffet style in the main restaurant. The presentation looks neat and modern, with mostly open food stations and relatively few traditional containers with lids. Drinks are brought to the table by waiters, which is also convenient. The food selection is more in line with a good budget 4-star hotel. During the day, street food offers light snacks, while the pastry shop is open practically all day. Alcohol is also included, but there are some limitations. Local drinks and lower-priced international brands are included. Higher-end imported brands, cocktails, and freshly squeezed juices cost extra, so you should definitely not expect a premium, all-inclusive concept here. Now let's talk about the room. We stayed in a deluxe pool view room. After the renovation, the room looks modern and pleasant. Light colors, laminate flooring, and a clean, understated design. The storage system is somewhat unusual. Instead of a traditional clothes wardrobe, there are open shelves, clothes rails, and a luggage stand. The room includes a safe, a tea and coffee set, and a minibar. The first refill is free and includes Ifys, beer, juices, and soft drinks. After that, only water and soda are replenished free of charge. The rooms and public areas are exactly what make Kaia Coracesium feel more upscale than its category suggests. If you judge the hotel not by the number of stars but by its current condition, after the renovation it can genuinely compete with some standard Turkish 5-star hotels. But the disadvantages should not be ignored. First, the hotel is not directly on the beach. Second, the sea entrance is not ideal for small children because of the pebbles, stones, and relatively quick increase in depth. Third, the grounds are very compact, and the pool area can feel crowded when the hotel is fully occupied. There are also limitations when it comes to the internet. The Wi-Fi is slow, so we would not recommend this hotel for anyone planning to work remotely for an extended period. You also should not expect a large selection of premium imported alcohol or a truly gastronomic experience. The food is decent for the price, but it is not exceptional. So who would we recommend Kaia Coracesium to? First of all, travelers who want a modern hotel after a renovation but do not want to pay extra for 5 stars. Families with small children should carefully consider the beach and sea entrance before booking. And if you place a high value on a large resort, premium all-inclusive, or fast and stable Wi-Fi, we would suggest looking at other options. The biggest strength of Kaia Coracesium is actually quite simple. It is a modern, well-maintained, and well-organized hotel that offers a lot for its price. That is exactly what many affordable Turkish hotels lack: fresh design, good sports facilities, decent entertainment, and pleasant public areas. If the price of Kaia Coracesium is significantly lower than that of a good 5-star resort, it is definitely worth considering. Just make sure you understand exactly what you are paying for and what compromises come with the attractive price. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share this video with your friends.